Hi there, this is Lucas, and today I want to show you a complete free alternative to Microsoft Office, especially for the text editor Word, as you can see here. Apache OpenOffice is the leading open source Office software suite for word processing, spreadsheets, presentation, and so on. It stores all your data in an international open standard format and can also read and write files from other common Office software packages. I think this sounds pretty cool, so let's start. Okay, if you click on your browser, type in your favorite web search engine the words OpenOffice. As you can see, we can here go direct to the download page, and we can select at first the operating system. I choose Windows, and the language and the version. I choose the newest version, and then we can click on download full installation. This will lead us to another page, and your download will start shortly in 5 seconds. And yeah, here it starts. So we wait a moment. Yeah, after a short break the download is complete, and we can run the installation application here with a double click. And do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Yes. And here we click next, and here we can change the destination folder, but I don't want to change the destination folder, so I click on install, and now we click next again, and here we can enter our information and select if the application is for anyone who uses this computer or only for me. And I check the first one, anyone who uses this computer, and then we click on next. Here I took complete for the setup type. This is easier. Next. And yes, I want a start link on my desktop. If you don't want it, uncheck this checkbox. And finally we can click on install. So I skip the installation part for you, and now we can click finish because it's finished. So now I can go to the desktop, and here I have OpenOffice 4.1.6 and click on it. And as I said in the beginning of this video, we have a new text editor like Word. We can click on it. So here we have an untiled file of the OpenOffice writer, and I will give you a quick overview about the basics of this text editor. For more details, please like this video and subscribe the channel so you don't miss any new tutorials. And yeah, here the quick overview. Here we can select the font, here the font size. The letter stands for bold, italic and underline. Here you can choose the text align, and on this button you can choose the font color. On this button you can save your file, which is really important, I guess, and on this button you can export your file direct to a PDF, and on this printer symbol we can print our file direct with a connected printer. And yeah, I hope with this knowledge you are prepared for the first steps in OpenOffice, and I hope you will download this application and have a lot of fun with it. Bye!